Cameron here again, doing a talkthrough on how to set up a messenger bot on the Backchat platform using our integration, which is Dialogflow. If you don't know anything about Dialogflow, it's a natural language processing platform run by Google. It's friggin' awesome, and you can build some really great bot experiences. So let's get started, yeah? Okay, so we've just logged in the Backchat. If you watched the previous tutorial, we went in and we logged into Facebook and we set up our page, Kelly Irving. Okay, it's actually a real page. Kelly's over here and she's getting a lot of messages, so we want to start automating some of those messages and start getting some subscribers into the bot platform, so she can start, nurturing those subscribers, sending them some good stuff, and using Messenger as another channel for her marketing strategy. So after you've done that, go to the left-hand menu and choose NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. And what we've done is we've created an integration with Dialogflow, which adds a few features that Dialogflow doesn't, to help you manage your users, segment them, nurture them, and make offers where it makes sense. So the combination of BI, business intelligence, and bot automation. But we're outsourcing the bot side to Dialogflow. So let's get started with that. Go into Dialogflow and sign in with a Google account. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm not going to walk you through too much on how Dialogflow works, but you'll see how simple it is when we set up an example. So first thing we do is create an agent. Think of an agent as like a bot. Okay, so on the left-hand side, click on agent. Okay, and then I'm just going to call my agent or my chatbot Kelly Irving, and I'm going to click create. That goes off and does its thing. You might want to go and set the default time zone to your time zone as well. Working. And then we should see something pop up pretty soon. Don't make me pause this screencast. Phew. Okay. So again, I'll do a separate tutorial on Dialogflow, but let me just kind of like walk through a good example here. So what you can do is create intents. Intents are basically what's the intent of the person who's messaging you. And what we do is we go in, we add a training phase. So some people might come to your bot and say, hi, you know what, let's just use subscribe, because that's what a lot of people do. Okay, subscribe, actually we'll do hi. Hi, and then we'll just call this intent greeting, and then you want your bot to respond back with a response here saying bye. Very simple. Okay, great. So we've set up our intents. We've got a greeting. When someone says hi on the chatbot, then Dialogflow will process that and send bye. Okay, so let's go to our settings and start adding the configuration here in Backchat. So the difference now is with Dialogflow, you've got to use version 2, and it's a little bit more complicated if you want to run it through a third party. So what we do is we go here to Google project. We copy and paste this project ID. We go back to Backchat and we just paste that project ID into Backchat. The name of the agent, we add in the project name, Kelly Irving. Cool. Now we have to paste some JSON, which is like structured code. Don't get too hung up about it. You'll see how we do it here. Go back and see this service account here? What we'll do, we'll go and click on that service account. Again, I'm not going to go into the plumbing of this and how it all sort of works and security, but if you're using Dialogflow, this is where it's going to go, and you pay. This is what you pay for to get a world-class like bot platform. So I'm just going to go in and click on the service account details and say create key. Oh, hang on, I've got to edit this. Create key. Okay, edit, create key. Probably an easier way is just go on here, actions, edit, and then create key. JSON. It's a private key. All right. If you're trading in crypto, you know what these are all about, little private keys. All right, so just down here you can see that I've downloaded the JSON. What we're going to do is open that up. Okay. Copy that. Paste that in. Okay. Create. And you've just connected Dialogflow into Backchat. Okay. So now if we go to Kelly and say, get started. I'll say hi. And then Dialogflow's responded back and said bye. Okay. So that is how you create a bot in Backchat and start setting up your natural language processing, and there you go.